In this video, we will take a look at how you can update WhatsApp to the latest version. So first, let's return back to the home screen. On the home screen, you can open up WhatsApp application. When you open it, if there is a newer version, you can tap on Update WhatsApp right here. And this will take you to the WhatsApp application. Otherwise, you can swipe to the right here. And in App Store, you can look for App Store. And down here, you can look for the app called WhatsApp. So we type in WhatsApp. And then once you see it, tap on the Update button. And that's it. So now it will download the latest version and update WhatsApp Messenger. Once it is updated, you should be able to go ahead and use it. Okay, now it's finished. You can tap on Open. And then you need to go through this agreement and set up your phone number.